Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our Minecraft Analytics on your Spigot server. So to begin, you'll need to head to analyse.net. The link will be found in the description. Once you're here, you'll need to click on the Start Growing Now button like so. This will guide you to create an account if you already haven't. So be sure to create an account first. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a new Add a New Server button like so. We'll need to click on that, which will now bring us with a pop-up. So let's go. Here, we'll be asked to enter the name of our server. This can be anything from the name of your server to the game mode or anything that you'll remember. So for simplicity, let's just go with Analyse Craft. And then we can go to the next step. If you have any domains that you use on your server, you can enter these here to find out which ones players most join from. If you don't have any, you can always click the Create button and skip this. But for now, let's add a few ourselves. So let's firstly add our main IP address like so. We're also now going to add the domain for our own server list, which you should join by the way, link is in the description. So let's add our Minecraft server list IP address, and we are going to be using JS for this, and let's add that in. Once that's done, we can now click the Create button, and if there's any here that you don't want, you can always press the X button on too. So let's click Create. As you can see, it's now telling us to download the plugin, so let's do that. Now that's been downloaded, we need to copy the plugin that we've just downloaded into our plugins folder. So let's do that now. Once the plugin is in your plugins folder, we'll need to restart the server. So let's do that now. And now let's give that a moment to start up. As you can see, Analyse has now been installed, but we've now been given a message. We can see here that Analyse hasn't yet been set up, and we need to run the following command, which is fine. So let's head back to our dashboard. Now that we've restarted our server, we can click that button. Now we're guided with the command that we need to run to set up our server. This is the same one that we was just told about. So let's click the copy button like so. Now back to our desktop, we can go to our terminal and we can paste that command in. As I'm running this from the console rather than in-game, we can remove the slash at the start of the message, like so, and paste that in. And hooray, our new server has been set up and ready to go. That took less than 30 seconds to install, and now you're up and running. Be sure to check out our other videos, which we'll be covering soon, for Bungee Cord and lots more to come in the future. For now, goodbye.